welcome to my channel. Then with me Priyanka. Now we are finding prime numbers between 1 to 100. 1 to 100 మధ్యలో ఉండే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ని ఎలా ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ చేయాలో చూద్దాము. సో ఫర్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, the numbers which are divisible by 1 and that itself are called prime numbers. So it means prime numbers ki only 2 factors ఉంటాయి. 2 factors ఉండే నెంబర్స్ అన్ని ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అవుతాయి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 అండ్ సో ఆన్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం 2 తీసుకున్నాము. 2 ఓన్లీ ఈవెన్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్. The numbers which are divisible by an extra number other than 1 and that itself are called composite numbers. 1 and అదే నెంబర్తో కాకుండా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్తో డివిజిబుల్ అయినా అటువంటి నెంబర్స్ని కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాము. అంటే మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మీన్స్ మినిమం 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉండాలి. మినిమం 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉండే నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ అవుతాయి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. To find prime numbers from 1 to 100, we have a method, sieve of Eratosthenes, proposed by Eratosthenes, a Greek scientist. In this method, we take a grid, a 10 by 10 grid. In this grid, we wrote numbers from 1 to 100, but we cancel the number 1 because it is neither prime nor composite. And 2 is a prime number, that's why we are rounding the number 2. And now we are crossing the all multiples of 2. Those are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. In this way we cross out the all multiples of 2 because all the multiples of 2 have more than 2 factors. That's why all these multiples are composite numbers. The only even prime number is 2. So after 2 we have 3. 3 is a prime number, that's why we are rounding the number 3 because it has only 2 factors, 1 and that itself. Now we are crossing the multiples of 3. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Like that we cancel all the multiples of 3 up to 100 because all these multiples are composite numbers because those numbers have more than 2 factors. And if we cancel the numbers before, we leave them and we crossing the new numbers which are multiples of 3 up to 99. Now already we cancelled the number 4, so we will go for 5. It is a prime number, that's why we are rounding the number 5. Now we are crossing the multiples of 5. Those are 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45, 50. Like that 100. Up to 100 we cross all the multiples of 5. Now we have 7. 7 is a prime number, so we are rounding the number 7. Now we are crossing all the multiples of 7. Those are 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. So next 56 and 63, 70, 77, 84, 91 and 98. Next we are rounding the number 11 because it is a prime number. Now we are crossing the multiples of 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on 99. If you check for not crossed numbers in the grid, those are prime numbers because all the multiples of those numbers, if they are in the grid, they are already crossed. That's why we are rounding the remaining numbers. Those are 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are prime numbers because all these numbers are having only 2 factors. From the first row we get 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, 13, 17, 19 in second row, 23, 29 in third row, 31, 37. These 2 are prime numbers from 31 to 40. Now 41, 43, 47. These are prime numbers from 41 to 50. Now 53, 59. These are prime numbers between 51 to 60, 61, 67. These two numbers are prime numbers from 61 to 70, 71, 73, 79. These three numbers are prime numbers from 71 to 80. Next, 83, 89. These two are prime numbers from 81 to 90. Next, 97. The one and only prime number from 91 to 100. If we observe clearly, from 1 to 50, we have 15 prime numbers. If we count, we will get 15 numbers. So, we have 15 prime numbers from 1 to 50, and from 51 to 100, we have 10 prime numbers. If we count, we will get 10 prime numbers from 51 to 100. If we clearly observe, from 1 to 100, we have total 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 100, we have 25 prime numbers. These are useful for competitive exams, and by using Saiva Eratosthenes, we find prime numbers from 1 to 100. The total prime numbers from 1 to 100 are 25.